Welcome to Webstarters. I just made these beautiful stickers using AI. Text to sticker generation is fun and it can be profitable. These are transparent stickers and can be used anywhere. These stickers offer endless opportunities from freelancing on platforms like Etsy and Fiverr to selling print-on-demand designs, creating branded stickers for businesses, social media, and packaging, or using them personally for decorating gadgets, planners, scrapbooks, and custom gifts. Endless possibilities. If you use Canva, you can use AI to generate stickers easily from inside Canva. To generate stickers like this, open Canva, click apps icon at the left side, type sticker and search. You will see many AI apps that can generate stickers. Sticker AI, Sticker Maker, AI Sticker Maker, Sticker Gen, and more. Let's select Sticker AI. Click Use in New Design. Type prompt or get suggestion from AI. Sleeping Fox. Let's create this sticker. And here are multiple variations of a sleeping fox. If it comes with background, click BG Remover from top bar. It will remove sticker background. Let's generate another. Bunny holding an Easter egg. And here are multiple variations of bunny holding an Easter egg. Remove background. It looks good, right? Let's try another AI app. Go back and select another app. Sticker Maker. Let's get AI suggestion, a pirate boy. And look at that. We can remove background. It's perfect. Let's try another. Cute unicorn. That is so cute. Remove background. Perfect. So this is how you can use AI to generate all sorts of stickers from inside Canva. Multiple AI apps and endless opportunities. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.